Here we go. Puzznic. Is it? Or is it plotting? I can't remember. I think it's Puzznic. It's a specky puzzle game. It's Puzznic. Let's play the game. It's a puzzle game. This is, as you can probably imagine, this is going to be really interesting to view. Because I can't remember what the fuck is going on. Now, if I recall, this is a pretty good puzzle game. Which is why I've got no cocking idea what's going on. I see. So you got to clear these blocks up any which way you can. A pair will do it. Now the other big puzzle game in the Spectrum was, apart from clacks, was plotting. But this is Puzznic. Match up the pairs and win the round. Obviously it gets a bit harder as you go along. So that one goes there. There are a lot of puzzle games in the Spectrum. One of the later day classics, which I may play at one stage, is a game called, I might make a mistake there, Snare, by Beyond Belief Software. Pretty much, although it got like 90% of the magazines towards the end of the Spectrum career. Oh, whoops, I made a mistake. No. Although it got like high ratings towards the end of the Spectrum lifespan in the magazines, it sort of escaped the radar of many players or people who forgot about the machine. It's a fucking great game. That's why I should review it someday. So here you go. Graphics are pretty shit, but they're functional. I think I've not played this game much. I think the game I had played was the other massive puzzle game at the time, which was plotting. There you go. Another level complete. I'm playing Spectrum games today because I'm quite nostalgic about the old machine. Someone's got a bit. And I'm feeling nostalgic, you know what I mean? There's certain things happen in life. And, you know, sometimes it's nice to revert to the things you remember from your youth. And this is one such thing. The old Spectrum. I didn't have this game, mind you. I wish it'd get a bit difficult. Hurry up, difficult level, come up, come on. Right, next stage. Hello, what's going on here? Those looks a bit tricky, isn't it? Well, that's got to go down. Let's try for the diamond. Gotcha. Circle next, methinks. And finally this shape. There you go. See, it gets progressively more difficult, as you expect from a puzzle game. Oh, I've done it wrong, haven't I? Already set. So I went Pete Tong. Aha! As Alan Partridge might say, were he playing this game? Which I can't imagine Alan Partridge would play this game, because he's got better things to do whilst he's standing at Travelodge. Cock, that's gone wrong. So it gets tricky, as you can see. Come on, baby, light my fire. That's what I say. No, fucked it again. Come on. I like puzzle games, but you've got to be in a certain mood to play them, to be fair. Down you go, son. And you go there, and we're away again. Cleared the round. There's only so much fun you can have playing these games. I may have fucked up now because I'm not really paying attention. I've definitely fucked up, haven't I? How am I get that down there? So I'm going to use this game. This is a Puzznic, I think, for ZX Spectrum. Probably appeared on many other game platforms. I'm going to give it 7 out of 10. So there you go. I'd much rather play a Rubik's Cube, but I don't know, you can't buy them in the shops these days, or can you? If you can, tell me where. 7 out of 10.